Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to fix Park Assist Unavailable Tesla Model 3. Start by parking on level ground, shift to park, engage the emergency brake, and restart the car to reset systems. Check the rear and front sensors for dirt or damage and gently clean them with a soft cloth. If issues persist, power cycle the 12V battery and the touchscreen, then run a short test drive to confirm the warning cleared. Begin by switching the car off and opening the trunk or front frunk to access sensors safely. Use a soft microfiber cloth and mild soap solution to remove dirt, avoiding sprays that might seep into housings. After cleaning, dry sensors completely, then power the car on and run a sensor check through the touchscreen. Repeat if necessary until Park Assist no longer shows unavailable. If you feel uncertain, contact Tesla support for guided steps or schedule a service appointment. Perform a soft reboot by holding both scroll wheels until the touchscreen restarts, then test Park Assist again. If problem persists, do a complete power down from the controls menu, wait 2 minutes, and restart the car to reset deeper modules. As a last resort, ask Tesla to push a firmware update or perform diagnostics, since software bugs or module faults can cause persistent Park Assist unavailable messages. I'll explain steps clearly so you can try them at home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.